Hello everyone, this is Kaushal Dhighavkar, sub-editor of Efficient Manufacturing magazine, and today at our Industry NXT event, we have Shailendra Goswami sir with us. Hello sir.
Hi.
Thank you for coming sir. Sir, my first question to you will be like, how do you find our theme of the event?
The theme is most relevant because in today's world, when we are discussing manufacturing, we are not discussing only manufacturing, we are discussing smart manufacturing, and we are talking about Industry 4.0, fourth generation of manufacturing. We are talking of fifth generation of manufacturing, and now we are introducing concept of manufacturing, smart manufacturing, AI enabled, and which is where I personally feel that efficient manufacturing has introduced this particular topic for today's event, which is very, very relevant to today's happening around the world. And if we can come out with certain conclusions out of this particular conference, it will be helpful to the entire industry.
Yes. Sir, as you rightly said in your presentation, that China is changing the manufacturing landscape by introducing China Plus One policy. So India has to tackle this situation by some means. So what do you think are the what we can say solution, or what is the roadmap for this?
Actually, China Plus One policy means other than China, everyone else comes together. And because of COVID, everyone felt that China is something where it got originated. So most of the manufacturing world or the global players, they isolated China as far as demand was concerned, or as far as supply chain were concerned, or as far as manufacturing were concerned. Naturally, when there is so much of requirement around the globe, somebody had to fit into that particular position to cope up with the supply chain, cope up with the manufacturing, and cope up with the demand part of it. And who else could come handy other than India? India being a population of 1.4 billion, half of that population being so young, which is very, very talented, intellectual capital is very high. We are into smart manufacturing ourselves, and we could play a global manufacturing hub role very, very effectively because of the support which is coming from the government proactively in terms of PLI, in terms of FDI, in terms of ease of doing business and whatnot. And when the government is behind the industry, anything is possible. And last couple of years, we have seen the government has always been supporting industry as far as manufacturing is concerned. And in manufacturing, they have really given hopes by increasing contribution of manufacturing in GDP, which has gone to almost 25%. And when we are going to reach that position, third position of the global economical scale, where a turnover could be anything between $5 to $10 trillion, in that, if we really look at it, manufacturing contributing 25% is going to be a substantial chunk. And therefore, China Plus One is going to give us a lot amount of benefits. And like I said, all the roads are going to lead to India, to look India as a global manufacturing hub, a global partner, a trusted partner who could really give them not only production, but who could also contribute in innovation, in creativity, and in intellectual capital.
Okay, thank you so much, sir, for your wonderful thoughts. It is great to have you here, and hopefully we'll have you in our future events too.
Oh, thank you. Thank you very much. I enjoyed it. Thank you.
Thank you
Thank
so
you
much.
very much.